ending round 1 with the 40 record. Thoughts on this game and yung round 1 performance ng UP po?
Kasi naman, sa akin kasi siyempre, I mean, coming from this game, just need to learn to execute my offense namin better. I believe the defense namin was good naman, especially the second half.
Coach, ending round 1, 40 record, 3-way tie for third place. Is this the position that you imagine UP will be after the first round, or mas mataas pa sana yung expectations mo for this UP squad?
But siyempre, ang goal ko naman for every season would be being on the top side. But then, sana kami right now, because have to deal with that naman, yan naman yung position na.
Coach, playing against Luis Pablo, one of your former players yung time niya with UP, gano'n ka nalang ka-proud sa naging development niya sa breakout game niya with Lasal today?
I just see Luis naman, he's a good player and delivers the operation. Asal, okay naman ito.
Coach, points of improvement na lang po heading into round 2 na ayun nga, 40 record, dikdikan pa sa Final 4. Ano pang kailangan i-improve ng UP to keep in pace with UST, NU, and other teams also?
I guess being consistent and potent. So we had some plans naman na maayos. It's just that, just have to be consistent.